Which one? Gonna go there? Okay. What you gonna see? Hmm? Ayun si Dada Kano, mga kaibigan, nagkuan siya. Naghanap ng car seat sa mga bulilit. Oh. Dito kami ngayon sa Walmart. Ayan. Busy ang Walmart. Daming mga paninda. Oh. Ayun, oh. Kahit saan lang. Left and right. Oh, ayan, oh. Naglilinis si Manoy, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Pasakay-sakay lang siya, oh. Nag-vacuum. Oh, map pala to. Vacuum and map, oh. Tingnan mo nga naman. Oh, ito pang Manoy, oh. Sakay-sakay lang din siya, oh. Habang nag-grocery. Ayan, oh. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Ganyan po sila dito maglinis. Ganyan ang kanilang. Hindi po siya manual. Wow, grabe ang pila dito. Oh, mayroon pa ditong isa, oh. Naka-ano pa. Naka-page pa sila. Si Don Julio, ayan, nakakabit dito. Yeah, his lineup. Oh, anong somewhere else? Watch the guy. Watch that, CJ. You're gonna hit somebody. So ito, ganito ang sitwasyon sa Walmart ngayon. You're gonna look around in there while Daddy is waiting for the line.
So I told you to do.
Okay.
Take him with you.
Let's go, CJ. You wanna come?
Go, Mommy.
Okay. Okay, let's go. Sundan natin si Don Julio. Saan kayo pupunta? Sundan ko kayo. Ay. Ay. Ano yan? Nako. Sugar lang yan doon. Excuse me. Tingnan natin. Coloring lang yan, Don Julio. Popsicle. Yeah, but that's only sugar. Coloring lang yan. Ayan ang ingredients, oh. Flavors. Ayaw. Bibi. Artificial lang yan, Goy. Okay, let's go. Oh, dito. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Ano dito? Or here. Ay, wag yan sa sapatos. Hindi magapa. Uy, andito yung mga alahas. Oh. Sa mga mahilig sa mga alahas. Oh, andito yung mga super cute. There's a Mickey Mouse headband. Keychain.
Oh, I
Yeah.
love this one. Look, it's a bear. I don't know where did you want. We lost that.
Ang cute ng mga
Bear.
Yep.
What for?
Glittery.
Yeah.
It's a little bit.
Okay, let's go this way.
Mom, look.
This way, Don. Ano yan? Oh, okay. Mga earrings pala to. Spider-Man, yeah. Glasses. Spider-Man glasses. Okay, look in there, go. I'm gonna check CJ.
Look at this.
Look at these. Sino yan?
This is
Ah, Sonic. Cute ka nito, Don Julio. Pero nakaano siya. Hindi siya pwedeng matry. Oh, mayroon dito mga sombrero.
Hey! What is that?
Sombrero. May sombrero din siya. Oh.
Oh, look at this.
Goy bagay, goy.
Mama bunny.
Goy bagay. Goy, bagay?
Hat?
Yes? No?
Oh, look at this bunny. I really like it.
Oh, that's a cute one.
I
Asa ang mata niya?
I saw this before.
Saan? Magkano to? Oh, walang price kasi goes with the bag.
Mama, look here.
Mm-hmm.
Mama, look this. Hello. Let's go. Sandra.
Oh, Goy, look at this bag, Goy. So cute. Shh.
It's a backpack.
Sino yan? Oh, that's a bag?
Yeah, earring.
oh,
Backpack inside. Look at inside the backpack.
mga ano siya.
Yeah.
Accessories.
Look at hat. What is that?
So cute. So cute. Hello, Kitty.
Mom, look at hat. Mom, look at hat. Yeah. Mom, look at hat.
Ha? Yeah.
Mom, look at
Yeah, it matches your, ano.
trees.
Huh? We don't need that hat. CJ. Go, there's more bag in here. Look, different.
Look, Mama.
Here, look, her hair. Look. They have different one. Yeah, you can leave it. Just leave it. Okay. Here. Here, CJ.
Mom, look at you.
Hmm? Up.
Got it.
Fell off. Okay, Goy, you have this before, Goy.
What?
I think you have that in the house. Okay, let's check on Daddy now. Check si Dada.
I know where we are. Come on. Follow good.
Okay, follow Agoy daw. Sige, follow natin si Agoy. Naglinya si Chris. Andito yung mga gata sa pambata, mga kaibigan. Nakalak siya. Nakakandado. Nakalak talaga yung mga gatas, formula sa mga bulilit. Oh. Mahal siya.
This way.
Let's go. Let's go check Dada. Tingnan natin si Chris kung nakaano na ba siya, nakabayad na ba. Ang dami dito mga sapatos. Ayun. Ayun ang mga sapatos. Okay, check natin. Grabe ka haba ng linya. Eh. Don. You didn't see him? I don't. Over here, over here. Okay, ano na si Chris? Okay, come on, come on. Ay. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Ayan ang para sa sasakyan ni Kano. Kasi nag-change na ng car seat. Ayun ang car seat, dalawa. Kasi kay Kishana at kay CJ. Iba't ibang ano yan? Iba't ibang klase. Pero same brand lang siya. Chiki, 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 bubble gum. Wow, who's this one?
No.
Oh, this is yours.
What did you say?
Is that yours?
Yes. That's mine.
That's... Dito kasi sila sa self-checkout.
They bring them over there, please.
CJ, come here. Come here this way. Come here this way, CJ. Okay, sila doon? Makulilit. Wow, ano to?
Alright, don't touch it.
What are these? Uy, 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 no touching.
Don't touch it.
No touching.
Don't go there. No, no,
Huwag mong buksan yan doon.
no. Or you can cover the
Ayan ang mga bag-bag ng ice. Ayun, oh. No press. Thank you, Goy. Bantayan mo yung kapatid mo. Si Chris na natagalan pa doon sa cashier. Oh, Goy, this way. Let's go check here. Ilakad-lakad muna natin sila dito para hindi sila maboring. Tatawag lang yun si Chris pag tapos na. Where's CJ? Uy, where's your brother? Oh, ma'am ka karon, bata ka. Why you didn't follow? No, we go here. Right here. Asa man ta makahanap og mga toys, oy. Medyo may mga toys, mga school supplies naman to dito. School supplies naman to. At mga snack. Goy, follow me, Goy. Baka mawala kayo. Mga school supplies na. Oh, may fireworks.
Mama, there is school supply.
There is school supplies, yeah. Bubble gum. Saan to si CG pupunta? Oh, okay. Here's the glasses. Oh, wow. Let's see. Glasses. Oh, there's a ball right there. There's a ball over there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, here's Daddy. Tapos na si Chris. Dada is there coming. Ayan, nakabili na si Chris, mga kaibigan, ng 2 car seat para sa kanyang anak. Nag-change na kay malaki na sila. Ayan, wala na si Chris. Sumakay na ang 2. Ang kulit. Nakakatuwa din to sila, mga kaibigan. Ganyan ang babulilit. Ganyan talaga ang buhay ng bulilit. Hindi talaga pwede yung walang kakulitan. Lalo na itong lalaki. Ay. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, sorry. Buckets. Hi. Ayan, oh, pangdulaan sa mga bata sa beach. Goy, watch your feet, Goy. Hold on. Hold on.
We're in the throw or the next one?
I think it's right there. Yeah, we're over there in the middle. Where's CG going? Oh.
He's holding on.
Good job. Hold CG ah. Magbababa ka, maano ka talaga. Yeah, we're here, babe. I saw it. Kasi yung nag-install sana si Chris kanina yung isa. Pero hindi pala siya pwede. Hindi siya kasya sa kotse niya. Kaya iba yung iba yung kailangan. Kaya yun. Pumunta kami dito.
Yeah, that other one didn't walk into the seat at all.
Well, make sure that one is the one.
The thing on the front.
Make sure that's the one. So
It's got the thing on the front.
you're not gonna keep coming back.
Almost walked out only paying for one. So aggravated. The lady was
Fold the other seat, babe. How do you fold this one? Like
probably
this?
button.
Oh, that's right. There's a button.
Uh-oh, never mind.
Oh, hala. Oh, probably just pull this one.
I want to go inside.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I want to go.
Go. What you doing? Oh.
You know what's nice? I thought you might have messed up that thing.
Come inside in the back.
Nothing to damage.
Just come inside in the
When
back.
you're loading stuff in, you can't, like in your other car, it was all exposed.
Ah, okay.
You can scratch it. This one you can't.
Hold on, CJ.
Well, can we have
Okay, I'm gonna unlock the
Mommy, I'm hungry.
What?
I'm hungry.
Ay, sus, kasi may candy dyan. Ay, ito talaga si Gagay.
I'm hungry.
Ay, basta may candy. O sige mga kaibigan, ingat po. Babay na po kami. Install na si Chris sa kanyang stroller sa mga bata.